Pwede pa. i5 first gen. Inspiron 4030. Still good for surfing, YouTube, multimedia, task. Game is good because it has a dedicated 512 MB video card. So, ito, siguro, syempre yung games nung kanyang panahon, kailan siyang year lumabas. Okay. Upgrade ko na ng RAM kasi ang naka-install lang is 4GB. At din yan, pang sounds. Yeah. Pwede pa ulit. Gawin natin. Let's run roll.